Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this channel, we will discuss most commonly used analytics tool, languages and related questions. In this video, we are going to discuss about most oftenly asked question in the Power BI interview is what is DAX? Tell me about DAX. By this question, the interviewer is giving us a signal that be prepared with DAX formula and scenario based question. Ideal answer will be what DAX stands for, consist of, and then usage. DAX stands for Data Analysis Expression. DAX is a formula expression language. Formula includes functions, operators, values. DAX used to create measures, calculated columns, calculated tables, rollable security.